Believe in yourself. You are capable of achieving greatness. Trust your abilities, have faith in your dreams, and embrace the challenges that come your way. Remember, the power to succeed lies within you. Embrace failure. Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Every setback is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. Embrace failure, learn from it, and let it fuel your determination to reach new heights. 3. Seize the day. Life is a precious gift, and every moment counts. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Carpe diem. Seize the day, take risks, and pursue your passions with unwavering enthusiasm. Your potential knows no bounds. Overcome obstacles. Life is filled with obstacles, but they are not meant to break you. They are meant to build your resilience and character. Face your challenges head-on, never give up, and remember that every setback is an opportunity for a comeback. Inspire others. Your actions have the power to inspire and uplift others. Be a source of positivity, kindness, and encouragement. Your journey towards success can inspire others to believe in their own potential and strive for greatness. Together, we can create a ripple effect of motivation and change the world.